Hi, want to know how to set up Hey Google on your Google Pixel 9 Pro? So, as a first step, we would need to open settings on our phone and then scroll down until you'll find this tab, name of which is Google. Here is it how it looks. Click on it and then switch from the recommended tab to all services by clicking on this button. Then scroll down until you'll find this button which is saying Search Assistant and Voice and also click on it. Then here we would need to choose Google Assistant and now we can click No Thanks and here choose Hey Google and Voice Match. Then here on this tab, we will be on the tab named This Device. And here, as you can see, we got the Hey Google feature disabled. To enable it, we would need to do a voice match. This is a special feature which is created for your personal Google Assistant, which will recognize your voice and react only on your voice, Hey Google. So let's test it. Here, we would need to click on this slider to enable the Hey Google, click a few times more, I agree. Then once more. And now as a next step, we would need to do the voice match. So let's click next. And this is it. You can see that I already got a voice match and let's choose retrain so you can see how this process is happening. So, hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. And this is it. As you can see, I just had to say a few phrases that the Google is asking me to say, so the Google Assistant can remember my voice. Now let's click next. We successfully done our voice match and also enabled this feature. Now let's test it. Hey Google, what is the weather today? And this is it. As you can see, everything is working perfectly. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.